Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And our firm has been handling for over 30 years cases involving divorce and custody. Now, a lot of people call us up and they say, well, why can't I handle this myself? Or can I handle it myself? Well, it's like a lot of things in life. There are some issues that the court insists that they be handled with a lawyer where there is actually a right to representation. Divorce and custody doesn't fall into that category. You want to represent yourself, you can, but there's so many reasons to not do that. First of all, you're probably not going to have a working knowledge of the rules that relate to, for example, custody. In custody cases, there are 12 unevenly weighted factors that go into the court's decision of whether to give custody to the mom or to the dad based on what's in the best interest of the child. Do you know those factors? Do you know how to present evidence on those factors? And while we're talking about evidence, do you have a working knowledge of the Michigan rules of evidence? How exactly do you expect to conduct a trial on the issue of custody where there's no greater stake than your child? That's what's at stake. You want to try that kind of case? You don't even know the rules of evidence? How are you going to do that? How are you going to know how many copies of everything to file and to whom those copies should go? How are you going to know the technical rules of this? I got to tell you something. Here's a secret. There are lawyers who don't know these rules. You think you're going to know the rules? I got news for you. You know a lot of things. You know about your job. You know about sports. You know about hobbies that you've taken a great interest in. You don't know how to do this, so don't even try. There's too many ways to screw it up. Now, having said that, it's not just about custody. Decisions that you make in your divorce case could have tremendous financial impact. And if you calculate support wrong, or you give up maybe more of the pension than you should, or you waive alimony when you shouldn't, those are financial mistakes that will haunt you for the rest of your life. Don't make those mistakes. Get professionals involved who know how to do it, and your odds of getting a favorable result are dramatically improved if you get people handling it who know what they're doing. The best advice I can give you is when you're faced with any kind of litigation, particularly divorce or custody, contact a professional, and of course, we'll be able to give you direction and help you out. If you need some further assistance on this, you can contact us and get a free case evaluation, and you can simply do so by clicking the link in the description. Now, if you found this helpful, you found that it might improve your life, or maybe there's somebody that you know that might benefit from this information, please subscribe and share this with a friend.